What an absolutely gorgeous Pixie hair change. I love the amount of fullness that this has. This one also features the asymmetrical shape. Hair is longer on one side versus the other. Absolutely amazing makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So if you have currently been on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have this stylist doing a bob haircut. Ooh, loving the highlights sprinkled in with this cut. This is absolutely beautiful. Now this does feature a nice classic effortless shape. And I think that color really just added some interest overall. This is just beautiful, very nice. So here we have someone who decided to switch up their hair with a bob haircut, complete with the curtain style bangs. Followed by a curly hair transformation. Oh, wow, look at her hair color. This is absolutely stunning. And then we once again see another color change into some beautiful pink with the bangs. Very nice. So I've been talking about this for a few weeks now, and if you didn't know, pink hair is trending because of the Barbie movie. And we're seeing so many women embracing pink hair. Such a fun trend to try out. Next up, we have a Pixie haircut. love the icy color on this Pixie. Beautiful Pixie undercut. I love the overall shape. This is just a gorgeous hairstyle all around. Very nice. Next up, we have someone with very short hair. She ends up getting a nice little cut refresh. Into more of like a Pixie faded cut style. Very nice. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. And she ends up going shorter with the chic Pixie style. So cute. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.